Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run Facebook ads. So just please follow my steps until the end. Let's begin the tutorial. And so for sure, the first step we need to do, we need to go and open our browser, and then we're going to search for business.facebook.com/overview, and we click enter. And now whenever we hear we need to create an account by click on this button. And so we need to enter our name and our business and account name. And then lastly, we need to enter our business email address. So for example, if I put my name over here on my business, and then I'll put my business email address over here, and I click on submit. And also I need to confirm the email that I received. And so whenever I confirm the email that I received, I'll go back here to this page once again, and I can click on create button over here, which is the green button. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.